Shakers Conglomerate. Today, we're checking out my Phanteks Evolv X case. I've already got it built. I've got my GeForce Founders Edition RTX 2080 Ti, ROG Maximus 11 code, Corsair H115i Pro 240mm radiator. I got 32 gigs dual channel Corsair 3000. And I got Chewbacca for Christmas, using him as a GPU stand. But I don't have all my fans yet. I only have 4 of my Be Quiet 140 PWMs. I'm using 2 the Corsair fans off the radiator, and they are running quite loudly right now, so I'm going to be putting in, hopefully, 2 fan extensions to reach the fan hub, so everything will be controlled properly by the fan hub inside the Phanteks Evolv X case. So as you can tell, it's quite loud, and I'd like to settle that down just a little bit, because I do sit here for a few minutes of the day and enjoy some video games, do a little bit of editing, and generally just surf the web and whatever's out there and that I might be interested in. So let's go ahead and power it down. Alright everyone, we're powered down, and we can try to get on with getting this fixed. Alright, so let's bring it a little bit closer. Power switch off. Door up. First thing I have to make sure is that the fan hub is connected properly to the motherboard. So the back side of the Phanteks case is really interesting. It's got these huge flaps come down, come off, reveal everything. So up here we have our fan hub, and I have to follow this and make sure that's connected down to the motherboard. Alright then, so that came down there. It's plugged into channel fan 3. I don't think I want it plugged in, do I? Okay, so this fan, this one here has to go on. Feed it up here in the back. Hopefully. The other wires out of the way. Now it doesn't matter where I connect that fan header to from the fan hub. Alright, well, people in the comments let me know if it matters. I'm going to leave it connected to the channel 4 here, the fan hub. And let's bring it around to the back side. Alright, so our fan hub here. This is my old splitter. I'm going to take that off. Connect it down there. Pull that out. I'm going to move all these fans over one slot. I think I'm supposed to be connected to this white one. We have our 2 extensions. So that connection was right here. We'll feed this one up. I think will be the easiest way. Nice braided sleeve on these cables. Feel well made. Now this one here, we're just going to grind across the top. Let's go ahead and plug it in first. There we are. And connect it over here. There we are. Looks like we'll just tuck it right down in here in this one. And that should help pull it straight. Tie it back up here. That's what I did last time. Up there a little bit better. Alright, so the panel just slides back on. A little bit of lining up. There we are. Make sure the cables aren't pinched anywhere. Of course, you don't want to do that. Okay. Nothing's pinched, all feels pretty good. And that strip back up there, it goes. All right. All over back in. That should be everything. So let's go ahead and fire it up and see if we fix that noise problem. I do wish for when you didn't have radiator in the front yet that there was a bit of a screen for this just to cover up the cable. Alright. Joey, you're alright there, buddy? And should click 3 times. And here we go. All the fans are spinning. I really like these Be Quiet PWM 140s, they're really nice. I do need 2 more of them to complete this case. Well, there we go, back to being a normal sounding computer. Check out Corsair link here. CPU temperature 31, 32, GPU temp, well, this is with the door open, 32, and everything seems to be running well. Alright everybody, thanks for joining along while I fixed my computer. It sounds much greater. I think I'll be able to sit here in peace and actually enjoy listening to some shows, not have to have the headphones on all the time.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure.
Thanks for watching Shaker's Conglomerate, and we'll see you again.
About you, feel so special, pretty up from the minute that I met you.